Question 3, study the following two-dimensional figures or polygons and answer the questions that follow. Okay, so this first shape, let's see, how many sides does it have? So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Okay, 5 sides, so that means it is a pentagon. So this is something you just have to know. So if you're struggling with this, make sure you go study your shapes. Does it have straight or curved sides? So they are straight. And is it regular or irregular? So this one is just a normal pentagon. So it is definitely a regular one. This next shape, let's see how many sides we've got. So 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2. Oh, that is not working for me today. Let's see. One side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it's penta, hexa. Yeah. So this is a heptagon. It is straight sides again. And then, is it regular or irregular? So this is an irregular one. Okay, write down one similarity and one difference between a square and a rectangle. Okay, not too difficult. So one similarity is both have 4 sides. You could say 4 sides, 4 corners. They both have straight sides. They are both regular polygons. One difference is that square sides are all equal. Are all equal length. Rectangles are not. Okay, and then question 4, we have to convert the following. So I'm going to do that down here just so I've got a bit more space. So 7 centimeters, we want to convert it into millimeters. These are rules that you just have to know, otherwise you're never going to get these ones. So if I'm going centimeters to millimeters, every single time I am timesing it by 10. That is my rule. Centimeters to millimeters is times by 10. So 7 times 10, we just add a 0. So 7 times 10 is 70 millimeters. Then 2,000 meters, 2 kilometers. Again, we have to know this rule straight away. So meters to kilometers, we divide it by 1,000. So 2,000 divided by 1,000 means we're going to cancel all those zeros, so it is 2 kilometers. And then finally, 1 hour, you have to know this rule, is 60 minutes. Okay, I really hope that video helped. That is the end of that question paper. Please feel free to let me know in the comments if you have any questions.